In today's tutorial, we'll explore the QloApps maintenance mode and see how it works. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video. Here, I am on the QloApps admin dashboard. To add a new module, click on this button here. Since I have already installed it, let's click on Configure to access all the settings. Now we're in the General Settings tab. Here, you can manage the content displayed on the maintenance page. Here, you can enter the maintenance headline, which will be the main message displayed on the page. Next, add the maintenance text to inform users about the update. You can also customize the footer text and enable the newsletter subscription option if you want users to subscribe. Finally, enable the module to activate these settings, then click on the Save button to save the configuration. Now, let's quickly check how it looks on the front end. As you can see, the headline and text have been updated, and the newsletter subscription option is also visible on the front end. Next, go to the Layout Options tab. Here, you can upload a background image for your maintenance page. You can also choose a suitable text color and select a page layout from the available options. I like this second one, so I'm selecting that one. By clicking on the Zoom button, you can preview the maintenance page. This helps you design a visually appealing maintenance page. Once you are done, click on the Save button. Now, if we refresh the front end, you can see that the background and layout changes have been applied. Next, go to the Countdown Timer Settings tab. This helps keep your users informed about when the site will be available again. By selecting Yes, you can enable the countdown timer. Then set the date and time for when your website will go live again. I'm updating the time here. You can choose whether to display the timer after the countdown ends, and you can also select a timer layout. For now, I'm selecting this one. You can also click on Zoom to preview it. Once done, click on the Save button to save the changes. Now, let's check the front end again. As you can see, the countdown timer is now showing the remaining time. Next, go to the Social Links tab. Add your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or other social media URLs to allow users to stay connected with your brand. Now on the front end, you can see that the social media icons have been added here. Our next step is to enable maintenance mode. To do this, hover over the Preferences tab or go to Preferences and click on Maintenance. For now, I have already disabled the website to show you the maintenance page. Let me enable it first to show you the normal front-end view. As you can see, the front end is now visible normally. To activate maintenance mode, you need to disable the website again. You can also enable Allow Employees if you want to give employees or admins access to the front end during maintenance mode. You can also customize the maximum login attempts. For now, I'm setting it to 3. Now, let's go to the front end and refresh the page. As you can see, we are redirected to the maintenance page. We can click on Are you a member and log in as an employee or admin to access the front end. Let's enter the email ID and password, then click on Login. We have now logged in as an employee and admin to access the front end. The admin can also add a maintenance IP to allow employees to access the front end during maintenance mode. As you can see, I am able to access the front end even though the maintenance mode is enabled. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.